So this '03 Blazer died on the customer on the freeway. They did a tune-up and such, trying to see if they can get it running. I was checking for spark, and it had good spark coming out of the coil, but when the coil was hooked up back to the distributor, it popped and did weird things like it was out of time. And I wasn't really getting any spark out of my individual spark plug wire. So I took the cap off, and oh yeah, that distributor is bad. Take it out and see if the gears look okay. So the distributor is definitely bad inside. It moves, but the real bad news is these gears are completely tore up. The gear that goes to the onto the camshaft to make this thing run are really bad. I don't think I've ever seen one this bad. Oh, we're gonna use the borescope and look down there and see if the damage is in the engine.